You want to get certified in ServiceNow and don't know where to start? This video is your starting point. I'm going to show you exactly what the CSA certification is and how you can get started with the right tools and no nonsense. I've helped hundreds of people take their first steps towards ServiceNow certification, and I can help you too. If you give me 5 minutes, I'll give you a clear roadmap, 2 user-friendly resources, and the confidence to move forward. So let's jump into it. Let's start by breaking down what the CSA certification actually is. CSA stands for Certified System Administrator. It's the official entry-level certification for ServiceNow. Now, I know that name can sound a little intimidating, like you need to be some kind of IT pro to qualify, but the truth is, you don't. The CSA isn't about coding or server maintenance or anything overly technical. It's about understanding the platform, how to get around, how to work with records and data, and how ServiceNow helps teams run better. It's designed for anyone who wants to start learning the platform, whether you're in operations or support or HR or finance, or you're just looking to break into tech with something real and in demand. And once you earn the CSA, you're officially on the map. Employers know you've got a solid foundation and you'll stand out from everyone else stuck on the outside. And here's why it matters. ServiceNow isn't just some internal IT tool. It's used by over 80% of the Fortune 500. Banks, hospitals, universities, manufacturers, retailers, across almost every industry you can think of. Whenever a company needs to manage work, automate tasks, or connect teams across departments, ServiceNow is often the platform making it all happen behind the scenes. And because it's growing so fast, there's a massive demand for people who understand how to use it. Not just developers, but people who can configure it, customize it, and apply it to real-world problems. The CSA certification gives you a real path into that world. No 4-year degree, no coding boot camp required. You just need the right knowledge and the willingness to learn. And the payoff? It's real. CSA certified professionals consistently land jobs that are not only in demand, but also some of the highest paying entry-level roles in IT. So if you're thinking, okay, this sounds like something I want to do, but where do I actually start? Good news. I've got 2 simple options for you. The first one is totally free. It's a downloadable CSA study guide I created specifically for beginners. If you're just starting out or still deciding if ServiceNow is right for you, this is a perfect place to begin. It's written in plain English. There's no jargon and no fluff. It's just the fundamentals explained simply. It includes visuals and key concepts and the structure of the CSA exam. Think of it like your roadmap, a way to understand what's ahead before you commit to a full course or certification. Now, if you're ready to go deeper and actually prepare to pass the exam, then check out the full CSA Masterclass and Prep Hub. It's a self-paced course made up of short, step-by-step lessons that walk you through everything you need to know. And it's built around real demos in a real ServiceNow instance, not just theory. You'll also get access to my online Prep Hub community, where you can ask questions and track your progress and learn alongside others going through the same journey. It's beginner-friendly and it's practical. It's built to help you move forward, even if you're starting from zero. Now, just to be clear, to sit for the CSA certification exam, you will need to complete the actual ServiceNow FUNdamentals training. The good news is, the on-demand version of that is entirely free. I went through that official training myself, and then I rebuilt it from the ground up in a way that's clearer, more practical, and easier to follow. So think of this masterclass as the key to actually understanding the platform. So when you sit for the exam, you're not guessing, you're ready. Oh, by the way, I'm Jeff. I've spent nearly 30 years building software and leading technical teams in a major telecom company. And I've spent the last 5 years working entirely in ServiceNow, learning the platform and building solutions and helping others do the same. What I really loved and still do is helping other people understand how things work and showing them how to use technology to solve real problems. That's why I started Nougat, to make learning ServiceNow simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. So whether you're brand new to tech or just looking to skill up, I'm here to help. So if this sounds like something you'd like to explore, let's do this. Start with the free study guide. It'll give you a solid foundation and help you decide if the CSA path is a good fit. And if you're ready to go deeper and actually prep for the exam, the CSA Masterclass is ready for you whenever you are. You'll find links to everything I've mentioned, the study guide, the Masterclass, and the official training, right down in the description. But whether you download the study guide or take the Masterclass or you just keep watching videos, the key thing is keep going. This platform really can open doors. If you're thinking, I could do this, I think you're right. You've got this. I'm here to help.